Good morning, everybody. 9:12, 4 seconds, Tuesday, May 28th. This is the drawing for the Eternals lot, the high-grade Eternals lot. Issues 1 through 19 and Annual 1. Over here are the 34 filled spots. Over here on the left. I'm going to roll our 3 dice. The number is 9. I'm going to randomize 9 times. The name at the top of the list will get all the books. I don't have any medium flat rate boxes right now, but when I go to the post office later this afternoon, I will pick them up so that these can ship out tomorrow, Wednesday the 29th. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here comes the final one. 9, spot 25, Jason Caraway. Congratulations. Time is 9:13, 9:13 and 5 seconds.